Subscribe for more true life stories that will move your heart. She was a bully, but one walk in the cold changed everything. My daughter was caught mocking a girl at school, making her cry. I didn't yell at her. Instead, I told her, tomorrow, no bus, no car. You'll walk 5 miles to school. Shocked, she said, "But Dad, it's freezing." I followed behind in my car as she trudged through the cold rain. When we arrived, she hugged me and whispered, "I'll never hurt anyone again." Sometimes the best lessons aren't taught, they're lived.